Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 11 Lite, and today I'll show you how to record the screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles from the right side, or upper right side, like I just did, and then just expand it to see wider view of the toggles, and simply search for your screen recorder, which, see if I can find it. Oh, wait, there we go. Yeah, screen rec. So once you find this little toggle, you can simply tap on it. This will give you, by the first time, a quick guide on what you can do. So obviously tap here to start recording. Here you'll view the recording files. Then you have settings. And in settings, I do want to go in here just to check out what we have. So we have video resolution, video quality, orientation, sound, fixed frame rate, and actual frame rate. So obviously you can go into all of these and change it to your liking, but it looks like by default it is set fairly decently. Now the only thing I would change is the frame rate. Lock it to 30 just to keep it at a steady frame rate. Contrary to what people say, 24 is not a cinematic experience when you're watching a screen recording. So yeah, change it to the highest one you can, which in this case is 30. And from here you can simply leave this and tap on the red circle to start recording. So whatever I'll do right now will be recorded, minus things like, as an example, Netflix, because Netflix needs to be special and they block you from being able to record. Obviously reasons, so you can't record TV shows. You still get the sound but no image. But any kind of other app is a free game, so just open up any kind of app that you want to record, as you can see. And once you're done, click on the square right here to save the recording. So that recording that we have just saved can be found in our gallery application. Under videos, there we go. I will actually go back here. Normally you will see this page, photos, and you will probably see some photos. So you want to navigate into albums and then video folder, and then here you'll find that screen recording. Now as you can see, that choppiness that you just seen by scrolling through pages, that is due to the 30 frame recording. Like I said, contrary to what people say, 24 is not a cinematic experience, neither is 30 when it comes down to non-pre-rendered things like this. So this will look all the time like this, possibly worse if you're recording games where it actually needs more power. But anyway, as you've seen, that is the actual video recording, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.